Bullish Aion cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 17 cents and 38 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept Aion could reach 17 cents by 2025. Bearish Aion market cost expectation for 2022 is 3 cents. Aion presentation. Aion is a blockchain-based third-age staggered network. The task's goal is to track down answers for issues with other blockchain undertakings: interoperability, versatility, and namelessness. Each application region accepts its own foundation. In 2020, the cash at last made a forward leap as its worth begun to increment. The money has since been getting along admirably. The coin endured the ups and downs regardless of the instability of the digital money market. We should research more to decide why this is the situation. How did the digital money develop? At last, in what bearing is Aion cost expectation heading? What is Aion? The Nuco firm, laid out in the spring of 2016, created Aion. Vitalik Buterin, a notable ethereum designer, is the venture's foremost guide. Chief of Nuco Matthew Tocht, who serves on the top managerial staff of the venture Ethereum partnership, is responsible for Aion. Jin Tu, CTO of Nuco, has more than 15 years of mastery in corporate designing and 4 years of involvement with the blockchain area. Attempting to help and incite the Aion project is new speculative chemistry to get their commitment inside their organization. Aion involves the improvement of a sort of web for computerized stages. It includes more than just changing or trading digital currencies over completely to pay for administration. The arrangement of data, the trade of information, cooperative drives, and shared applications are the engineers' significantly more significant targets. The utilization of advanced innovations will be incredibly extended by such a framework, which will likewise eliminate middle people and work on working. The 3 key advantages that such a framework offers are featured by the Aion designers. 1. Merging Ethereum and this innovation viable computerized projects in a solitary organization. 2. Improved framework execution, quick inter-exchanges, and speedy information move. 3. Users will actually want to construct extra blockchains and applications inside the Aion network that are as of now integrated into the general engineering. The accompanying goals were determined by the engineers to give this usefulness. The improvement of framework and advances to widen the organization and incorporate both got done and impending drives into it. Creation of a stage in light of savvy Ethereum contracts for the trading of information and cash. Establishment of an establishment for plan in the Aion framework that is viable with various conventions and calculations. Introduction of a clever strategy for acquiring understanding in view of knowledge proof. The Aion network involves making joins between numerous stages and utilizing empowering their operation token. In these conditions, a financial framework is created to help the organization's adequacy and activity. Aion Specialized Investigation. Aion Specialized Investigation measure shows current rankings for different periods. This isn't an idea to buy, sell, or trade anything. It is neither exhortation nor a commitment of accomplishment. Moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns are 3 normal specialized pointers that are estimated continuously relying upon the presentation of Aion. The high-level Aion cost graph shows cost development in different styles, including candles, bars, lines, and a couple of something else. Also, you might overlay other specialized markers like the moving normal, Bollinger groups, and moving normal assembly difference for Aion. You might decide to contrast Aion and some other digital currency fitting your personal preference and look at these information throughout different time spans. Aion current cost. Aion is presently worth 3 cents USD. Aion has moved 4.19% as of now with an exchanging volume of $571,317. Aion is presently positioned 603 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $19,741,225 USD. Aion Value Forecast 2022. Aion, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Aion cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 5 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 5 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Aion is supposed to have a base worth of 4 cents. Aion Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Aion cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Aion will before long outperform 9 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Aion's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Aion will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 7 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 8 cents. Aion Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 13 cents and Aion might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Aion is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 12 cents and a low of 11 cents in 2024. Aion Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Aion effectively supports market feeling among digital currency fans, the Aion coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Aion will be green in 2025. The Aion is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 17 cents, with a base cost of 15 cents and a typical cost of 16 cents. Aion Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Aion cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 20 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 19 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Aion has a greatest value worth of 21 cents. Aion Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 24 cents. In the event that Aion figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 25 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Aion needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 23 cents. Aion Value Expectation 2028. While Aion is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 27 cents and a yearly cost close above 29 cents in 2028. Aion Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Aion will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 31 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 33 cents, averaging out at 32 cents. Aion Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Aion cost in 2030 is projected to be 38 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 36 cents. And the general development possibilities of the Aion token are great. With the advancement of foundation and organization, the coin is bound to go up. The previous information upholds the organization's development claims. In spite of the negative market drifts, the Aion coin kept up with its presence as well as giving great revisitations of financial backers. What is the Aion cost today? Today, Aion is exchanging at 3 cents with a complete market capitalization of $19,741,225. Is Aion a wise speculation? Aion ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is savvy to say that Aion is a decent decision of speculation. How high could Aion at any point go? The typical cost of Aion might perhaps reach 5 cents this